That's it.
Look. See?
That's a bird?
Watch.
What?
Look at it, honey. What do you think it is?
It's a real live bird.
On Easter.
And what is this one?
Well, it's not ready. But this one is. Just wants to pop out of there real carefully.
Well, Grandpa wants to pop it out of there.
And
Look, honey. It's a chicken being born.
a baby chick.
Is it alive?
Yeah, this is live. It's tired. See, we'll cover it up.
It's a baby chickie.